subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Huawei has launched its new affordable phone under Enjoy series in China called Huawei Enjoy 20 SE. Talking about the specifications, the Huawei Enjoy 20 SE supports a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus display with a large 90.3% screen-to-body ratio, and it has a hole punch at the top center that carries an 8-megapixel selfie camera with f2.0 aperture. On the rear, it has a triple camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner that includes a 13-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens or depth sensor and a 2-megapixel macro lens with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the Huawei Enjoy 20 SE comes powered by Kirin 710A chipset paired with Mali G51 MP4 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 or 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 512GB via microSD card slot. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 out of the box with EMUI 10.1 skin on top. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 22.5 watts fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.65 by 76.88 by 9.26 millimeters, and it weighs around 206 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Huawei Enjoy 20 SE has been priced in China for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1299 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 1499 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in Magic Night Black, Green Forest, and Duan Gold color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from January 15th. So, what do you guys think of this Huawei Enjoy 20 SE smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.